Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the fairing for a 2014 to 2023 Street Glide, Electra Glide, or Ultra Limited. First, let's talk about what tools we're going to need to do this job. You're always going to need a Torx T25 screwdriver. At the windshield, you may need a Phillips number 2, an Allen head, or a Torx T25, depending on what kind of hardware has been put at the top of the fairing. All right, so we're going to start with our Torx T25, and we're going to remove 4 screws from the inside of the fairing. There are going to be 2 shorter ones at the lower portion of the fairing and 2 longer ones on the outside edge, as you see here in the video. This is important that we keep track of what size they are, because those long ones need to only go back in the top. If you put them in the bottom and you tighten them up, you're going to dimple out the fairing and possibly mess up your paint. So again, 4 screws, 2 on each side, 1 at the bottom and 1 at the top. Now as we move to the front of the bike, we're going to rotate the lights because this was an Ultra Limited, and we're going to start taking the bolts out on our upper windshield trim. So we're going to remove both outside edge screws. In this case, they were a Phillips number 2, and the last one we're going to remove is the center one. So first we're going to loosen it up, and we're going to remove our windshield. So don't take it all the way out, just loosen it enough to get the windshield out. Now take it over and set it somewhere safe. Now we're going to continue and remove that center screw the rest of the way out. Now you're going to see we're going to pull the fairing off. We're going to actually pull it out enough that we can get to the headlight to disconnect it. Now if you have turn signal wires or additional plugs, you need to undo that as well. And now we're going to set our fairing over to the side. So this is all the steps you need to know on how to remove the fairing. Watch the rest of our videos to see how to install radios, speakers, remove your gas tank, cut in lid kits, everything you need for audio we've made a video for. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.